The wait is finally over, but it's not what anyone expected. For the last 3 years, the Sony FX3 has sat on a throne that many tried to claim, yet none could topple. It became the gold standard for high-end wedding films, indie documentaries, and even Hollywood B-cam footage. But the industry moves fast, and as we move deeper into 2026, the cracks are starting to show. We needed more. More speed, more intelligence, and a level of reliability that defied the laws of physics. Enter the Sony FX3 Mark II. This isn't just a sequel. It is a total declaration of war against the status quo. We are talking about a machine that bridges the gap between a portable mirrorless body and a full-blown Venice II cinema rig. Sony has taken everything we loved about the original and injected it with a dose of high-octane innovation that makes every other camera in its class look like a toy from a bygone era. But there is a secret, a hidden upgrade in the sensor technology that Sony didn't emphasize in the headlines, and it's the one thing that will change the way you shoot forever. Let's talk about the first thing you feel when you hold it. The body is familiar, yes, but it's refined. It's slightly more robust, with a grip that feels like it was molded for a professional's hand. But the real magic starts the moment you flip that screen. We finally have a 2000 nit, high-resolution OLED monitor that makes external monitors feel like a luxury rather than a necessity. In the bright, midday sun of a desert shoot or a high-contrast city street, you can actually see your exposure without squinting. But that screen is just the window. The soul of this beast is the new 16-megapixel partially stacked CMOS sensor. Why 16 megapixels? Because Sony realized that for cinema, it's not about the quantity of pixels. It's about the quality of the light they capture. This sensor is a low-light monster, pulling details out of the shadows that the human eye can barely perceive. And with a staggering 15.5 stops of dynamic range, the highlights roll off with a creamy organic texture that feels like 35mm film. But here is the headline that is sending shockwaves through the filmmaking community. 4K at 240 frames per second. Read that again. We aren't talking about soft, upscaled 1080p. We're talking about crisp, 10-bit 4:2:2 4K slow motion that looks like a dream sequence. You can slow down time to a crawl without losing a single ounce of detail. It turns a simple walk across the street into an epic cinematic moment. And for those who need even more flexibility, the 6K oversampling ensures that your standard 24p footage is the sharpest, most color-accurate image Sony has ever produced in a camera this size. But speed without control is chaos. That's why Sony has integrated a dedicated AI processing unit directly into the FX3 II. This isn't just face tracking. This is a level of subject recognition that borders on telepathy. It recognizes human poses, animals, vehicles, and even insects with a tenacity that refuses to let go. Whether you're filming a high-speed car chase or a delicate wildlife documentary, the focus sticks like glue. You can finally stop worrying about your focus puller and start focusing on your composition. It makes solo-op filmmaking not just possible but powerful. The AI even assists in the new auto-framing mode, which uses the 6K sensor to crop and follow subjects automatically, giving you the look of a multi-camera setup with just one body on a tripod. Now let's address the one thing everyone has been begging for.